Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models. And Chocolate Santa in the UPS van brought me something wonderful yesterday. It's the Dale Earnhardt Jr. JR Motorsports Justin Allgaier's car from the Daytona 500. Is this thing? Oh, this thing's beautiful. You know what? This thing, it was sold out, but I think Rick might have found a couple strays. But let's take a look inside the box. Oh, that body came out really pretty in that tan color. So let's take a look real quick. So here we go. You know, it's funny. I look at my box here and I look at my monitor, and that thing glows like a fresh Florida orange, and it's not that bright, but it looks a whole lot better on my monitor. But that came out cool, and that artwork they sent me was beautiful. So anyway, let's see what it looks like inside of the box. So there's our clear stuff, and there is that tan, and it looks a little yellower on my monitor. I don't know how it's going to look on yours, but this is just a pale tan. I mean, it's not. I bet I can find a part on my arm where it matches, but anyway, it is just an off white, a tan. There's no yellow to it. It's just a very 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 faint little bit of brown in there, so it gives it that nice creamy tan look. So, oh, that is going to be pretty, guys. You're going to have some beautiful kits with this one. So, round and squishy things are indeed round and squishy as usual. You've been through this over and over and over. You don't need me to look at to go over these things, but go back and look at my oops video, because there's a couple little things on here you will want to tweak, and it'll make the build much nicer and much better for you. So set those aside, and here's the important stuff. The placemat. You guys know how it goes. You know how I like to hide the decals to the last. So there's your placemat with how-to instructions. There's your placement for your decals, and we will see in a moment how nice a job Mr. Kemp did. So yeah, there's the black Chevrolet Camaro decal sheet. It says 2022, but everything's the same between this and now. The only difference is you don't put the Camaro on the back bumper. So, oh, there you go. Would you just look at that? Oh, those things really stand out. They are that day glow orange. The car was much different when they rolled it out on the track. It was much different than I expected from from all the images and pictures that I had seen. It was so much brighter, and this certainly is. So wow, that is going to make for some absolutely gorgeous builds, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing pictures of what you guys do. You can when you make your pictures, you can email them to me through the SJR video, SJRM videos at Gmail, and I'd love to see what you guys come up with. So there you go. There's those decals. Yes, Mr. Kemp did an outstanding job. Much better than I do trying to fit these in the camera window. So there you go. That's what's inside of the JR Motorsports Traveller's Whiskey box. Yeah, guys, I want to see what you do. I want to see the builds, your pictures of your builds. Don't be afraid to show off. These, I know that, like I said, they were sold out. I don't remember what the edition size was on this one. You guys have noticed that we're bringing down the number on our production on our stuff, because we want you guys to have fresh bread every month. Every month you get new stuff. We're sold out of these. I think there might be a couple. Check the website. I'll have it linked below. Take a look at that. We may have some left. Just like the number 21, the Josh Berry Wood Brothers throwback from Darlington. That I'll put a picture in here right here. Yep, that's the British Racing Green with the livery of Jimmy Clark's winner at the 1965 Indy 500. We're actually going to be producing that car. Give it a couple months. I'll do a video on that. Um, but that is, I believe, pre-ordered, sold out. These are shipped. These just shipped, and they're gone. What was made? That's gone. We're not going to be doing them again. Um, I There's some speculation that the Traveller's Whiskey, they want to do it again. I guess it was a great ad buy for them. So who knows? We may get to see this Justin Allgaier car on the track again. I do know that the Wood Brothers. Jimmy Clark throwback that has been requested at the Brickyard 400 at Indianapolis. So we'll see if that one comes back out. So that will be coming up in a couple months, I believe. So anyway, we got lots of good stuff, lots of cool stuff, and hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you would like and follow, click that like button, and hey, you know what? It puts this out into the algorithms of other people that they can find out about Salvinos J R Models. So thanks again. Thanks for buying our stuff, watching this, joining us on our YouTube show Saturday mornings at 9 o'clock Central. See, if you follow us, you can see what's going on every week. We've been doing a 4-part. Today's the last of the 4-part series interview with Clay Kemp. So you'll find out a little bit something about doing the decals and doing and how he does his model builds and a little bit of his history. So it's been a really cool thing. And who knows what we're going to have next week. So there you go. So have a good day, evening, whatever time you are, and see you in a couple days, because I know I've got another NASCAR Cup kit, and I've got an IndyCar kit coming up. So take care.